Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the exposure level in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, in the gallery, we have to find the picture that we want to edit. Let's say this one. Wait until it loads. And here in the bottom, you can see that there is this little slider with a lot of options. From here, we have to select light. And here in this little pop-up at the top, there's a slider that sets the exposure level of the picture. Here, if the exposure level is higher, then the picture is going to become lighter. Then if it's lower, then the picture becomes darker. So you can play with it and find the appropriate exposure level for your desire. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.